This video shows how to clean the exterior parts of the Xerox Versalink C620 color printer. Slightly dampen a soft, lint-free cloth with water or glass cleaner. To avoid activating buttons and menus when cleaning the printer, press the Power Wake button, then touch Sleep. To remove fingerprints and smudges, clean the touchscreen and control panel with a soft, lint-free cloth. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean the outside of the output tray, paper trays, and other exterior areas of your printer.